Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Angel. Happy day after 4th of July. We're here at American Studios. We're in the process of mixing, so right now they're working on Undeniable. And we just got done mixing Keep It In, so can't wait for you guys to hear it all. But an interesting thing happened on the way here, and so Undeniable just kind of ties it all in, so I want to share a story with you. This right here is a product of making an exit too late. So this is a rim off of, this is a 24-inch rim, and this is from my truck. This is the driver's side rim. Now the other part of the rim is in the back of the truck now, and the driver's side, the back tire, is also cracked. So we've got two tires with nice 24-inch rims on them, one spare, and then another tire is a whole nother rim that is 20. So I just want to show how undeniable things can be. Of all days, when you're trying to get to places on time and if it's going right in the morning, you know something's about to go wrong. I'm just playing. Look at the negativity, right? So we're gonna go in there, finish mixing, get everything all situated, and we're going to be out, and you guys are going to hear all the beauty that came out of today. So I hope you guys had a great 4th of July. We sure did. Fireworks were popping. Everything was great. And here we are, celebrating. Today's a celebration, rim and all. Take it easy. I will see you guys in a couple of hours.